Hi guys, and welcome to my new video. My name is Katie Wilkinson, and today I thought I'd teach you guys how to make a simple cover for your YouTube profile. It was quite easy, and today I thought I'd check out Canva and just basically now Canva.com is quite awesome. It allows you to start at a beginner's level basically and just learn about design as the core concepts, and everything from learning how to use text, coloring, images, graphics, and different parts as well. Now, as you can see, I've been playing around with different colors, different bright yellow and pink and purple colours, which I quite like, and I thought I might use for my channel art. It's very simple and easy to use. Currently I'm working on my iPad and just using my Apple Pencil to design and just create some ideas. Now I have chosen this light orange colour. It's quite peachy and I quite like it. My previous channel art was a sort of orangey colour, but as you can see, you can look at different graphics, different shapes, and just basically if you want to put a line or a shape around your lettering, you can do so. This is really great with Canva and I enjoy it. I've been playing around with different underlines, which I think would look great under my title for Canva. It's turning out okay, but good luck to you guys. It's really enjoyable. Now, as you can see, I've laid down this line. I thought it was quite sweet. A little petals on the side there as well. Which was quite nice. On Canva there was some sun type of lining and different things, but this is what I chose. As you can see, there is a lot of different texts. As you can see, Grandma's Special Herbs. This was quite nice and I really enjoyed this text. I ended up putting my name, Katie Wilkinson, as the main header, which seems okay, considering I'm just a beginner student and learning my way through art and design and entrepreneurship. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video, but I'm going to carry on, as you can see. Yeah, enjoy. I really wanted to use white in this concept colouring. I really liked how it conveys with the peachy orange colour, and it's just light, simple, bright, and that's what I'd like to bring to my YouTube channel, just to make everything simple and easy. Yeah. Now on Canva you can also choose from different symbols. I quite liked this love heart slash I suppose it's a a click like button sort of thing situation, sort of similar to Instagram. As you can see, it was quite cute, so I put that on the side. Just a reminder to like and subscribe if you guys want to see more design, animation, entrepreneurship and artist videos. I'm having a lot of fun making this. Currently I'm editing on my iPad, which is quite new, but it's all a learning curve, and I hope you guys enjoy this video too. As you guys can see, I'm adding a bit more text. I really wanted to put weekly videos slash you know, when I was uploading originally, I was going to plan Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, but with my current schedule, I'm just going to make it one weekly video, and maybe two if I can fit them in, but we'll see how we go and see how this works out for the new year. This is a really simple way if you guys want to start a YouTube channel, whether you enjoy art or animation or cooking, or maybe you're a vlogger, for example. It's Christmas time currently, so if you wanted to start a vlogging channel, feel free. You can definitely choose from greens and reds and different colours when making this header as well. And plus the symbols, I'm sure there's Christmas trees and different decorations you could add in. You could even make a title page, a cover art with canva.com. It's very simple compared to using other design software such as Adobe, and well, currently I've been using Procreate, just learning how to use that. It's all a learning curve on this channel, and I hope to take you guys on my journey through my design process. Hey guys, I hope you've enjoyed this short tutorial, just how to create a cover page for your YouTube channel. It's been really a lot of fun, I think, and I'm really enjoying just creating and being artistic on the side, and just starting my new videos, and I hope you guys have enjoyed really. So don't forget to like and subscribe. Comment down below, are you guys artists, designers? Are you a beginner? I'd really like to know, and like to know if there are more artists out there, people getting back into art, and yeah. Okay, thanks guys, and I'll talk to you soon. Okay, bye.